Welcome to this module on technology to support independence, home and community safety, and personal health, presented by DSO Housing Navigators. Many people use technology in their everyday lives. For those who need support with learning and maintaining life skills and managing activities of daily living, these tools can offer help with increasing safety, independence, and enjoyment in these areas, and can help prepare individuals for living on their own or with housemates. All of us have diverse strengths and abilities and benefit from support to live life to the fullest. We hope this module may provide information and ideas that can help with considering how we can give people with disabilities more control over their environment and support health and safety in the home and community. Disclaimer. All information included in this module and supporting documents is provided for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as legal, technical, business, or other advice. Developmental Services Ontario and its host agencies do not endorse any commercial product, process, or service referenced in this module, or its producer or provider. The DSO also does not make any express or implied warranties or assume any legal liability for the accuracy, completeness, timeliness, or usefulness of any information contained in this module or supporting documents, including web links to other servers. Some URLs included in this document will link to a third-party website. In this module, we will present information that may help you to consider where technology can be used to build and support independence, and possibly fill some of the gaps you have identified in your support plan. We encourage you to consider how we may be able to use technology to assist people with developmental disabilities to change the rules around independent living. We will also explore technology that can support with community safety, safe and secure home, and personal health and safety. We will look at how you may be able to use technology to assist in learning new skills and maintaining skills you have already learned, as well as technology that can provide prompts and reminders and support with safety and monitoring. In some cases, technology may be able to assist you in reducing the amount of direct support you require, decreasing the number of paid support hours needed to support success. Let's begin now. This slide provides links to information and resources from the DSO Housing Toolkit, which are related to the content we will cover in this module. Link 1 leads to Step 1 of the DSO Housing Toolkit, where you will find information about ways to use technology to increase independence, as well as other information you might find useful in your planning journey. Link 2 leads to a Technology Worth Considering tool, which you can use to make notes about different kinds of technology you are interested in or might find useful. Link 3 leads to the My Housing and Support Plan document, which is a tool you can use to document key information about you and your lifestyle, as well as the needs and wants that are related to the housing and support plan you are working to create. Link 4 leads to the My Housing and Support Plan budget, which can help you create a housing and support budget. For those who may be able to reduce the amount of direct support they require by introducing technology, the budget can help you to calculate the financial impact this could have. You may want to review the information from the toolkit or use the tools we are linking to as you are working through this module. All web links shown throughout this module can be accessed in the resource document for this module. Having opportunities to be out in the community, participating in daily living and recreational activities is an important part of life, and making connections with others in the community can support feelings of belonging and being included. As we consider how technology can support community safety, we are trying to provide information and ideas that might help with considering how we can give people with developmental disabilities more control over their environment and lives and take part in activities and events that bring them joy and fulfillment. This could mean taking the bus with more independence, spending time at the library to read, going to the grocery store, or getting active at the gym. As with any discussion that involves safety, it's important to note that there are sometimes risks involved with being out in the community. Building skills and supporting one's ability to navigate the unpredictability that can arise from being in the community can support feelings of confidence and safety. Some concerns for community safety that come up when you're out in the community could include emergency situations. For example, being involved in an accident or a personal health emergency. Traffic safety, not knowing the rules of the road, whether it's safe to cross the road or not. Wandering or getting lost. Risky choices regarding friends or hangout locations or challenges with socializing in appropriate and safe ways. We want to highlight that using technology won't completely eliminate risks. However, we hope that it could help to bring risk to an acceptable level so everyone can enjoy experiences and opportunities at home and in the community that will help to gain confidence and skills to support meaningful participation and thriving. As we move on, we will look at some examples of technology that can help to address some of the needs and concerns related to community safety. Most smartphones and tablets have assistive technology features built in. Many of us use these features to support our independence. For example, you can set reminders and alerts on your device to stay on top of tasks, routines, appointments, and events. Your phone can also help you keep in contact with others. To complement or add to the built-in features of your smartphone or tablet, downloading apps can help you create a personalized device that can offer you the tools and support specific to your needs. There are countless apps you can download to help you stay safe within the community. Some apps are free of charge, while others might cost money to download. It's important to know that apps are a trial and error solution. Some may work for you, and others might not. Free apps might be a good place to start, but know that they aren't always what they promise to be. Make sure to do your research and read the reviews to help you find the one you're looking for. You can also look for programs such as the Tell Us Tech for Good program, which is a free program that connects eligible applicants with assistive technology specialists who provide customized training and support on mobile devices and related assistive technology. Wearable technology like GPS tracking devices or smartwatches can be really helpful when it comes to safety in the community. They can also give peace of mind to both the person using them and the people supporting them. These devices can track someone's location, send emergency alerts, and in some cases, allow for two-way calling. Many people with developmental disabilities want to go places like work, shopping, or fun activities on their own, without needing help from someone else. But at the same time, family members and caregivers worry about keeping them safe. Finding the right balance between giving someone independence and keeping them safe can be tricky. A GPS tracker or smartwatch can help with this balance. These devices are great for people who want to be independent, but who may also get lost or wander. GPS technology uses satellite signals to track the person's location and send this information to a device. Some devices can even send alerts to caregivers if the person goes outside a safe area, known as a geo-tracking area. Some GPS devices also have an emergency button, so the person can call for help if they get lost or find themselves in trouble. Almost anyone can own a GPS system. It can be linked to your smartphone, a tracker, navigation device, or even the soles of your shoes. If you are thinking about getting a GPS device, it's important to talk to the person about whether they agree to use it and to make sure it fits their needs. For example, do they want to be able to call someone through the device? Do they like wearing watches, or do they tend to lose things? Here are some things to think about when buying a GPS tracker. Two-way calling. This feature allows the person wearing the device to talk to a caregiver or other contact. Waterproof design. This helps the device stay safe even when it gets wet. Location-based alerts. These let caregivers know if the person goes outside a certain area. Wi-Fi support. This can help improve the device's connection. Fit and comfort. The device should be comfortable to wear for long periods. Monthly fees. Some devices require a monthly payment for service. Battery life. Make sure the battery lasts long enough for daily use. Using a GPS tracker can give both the person with a developmental disability and their caregivers peace of mind, making it easier for the person to feel confident about being independent while also staying safe. You may be leaving your family to live on your own for the first time, or feel that you could never live on your own for fears of lack of security. These worries need not be a barrier to independence, as we all want to feel safe and secure in our own home. In the following section, we will speak about technology that promotes this, covering a range from very simple products to whole home technology use. This door wedge is an example of an inexpensive, low-tech security device. When placed in front of a closed door, an alarm will sound when the door is opened onto the stopper, which also prevents the door from opening. The loud alarm is intended to alert the homeowner and scare away potential intruders. It may also alert neighbors to the disturbance. It's an easy-to-use solution that can provide peace of mind and may be purchased from online retailers such as Amazon.ca. Smart door locks and doorbells are useful tools for home security. They help keep your home safe and make it easier to manage who comes and goes. With smart door locks, you don't need to worry about remembering or losing keys. Each person who uses the lock can have their own unique code or fingerprint, making it simple to track who enters and leaves the house and when they do. Smart door locks can be reprogrammed if you no longer wish someone to have access to the home or a new staff is hired. For people who find it hard to use traditional keys because of fine motor skills, smart door locks can be easier to operate. If someone is locked out, it is faster to call someone for a code than it is to go get a physical key. Smart doorbells are also a great way to improve home security. They let you see who is at your door before you answer, even if you're not at home. The doorbell sends a video and an alert to your phone or smart device. Some models also let you talk to the person at the door through the phone, and they may have extra features like night vision or motion sensors. Some smart door locks have both a camera and two-way talk, so you don't need to have two separate devices. There are many options to choose from, so it's important to research which one is best for your needs. It's also good to be aware of any limitations these devices might have. Smart smoke and carbon monoxide detectors are also great safety tools to consider for your home. Once the detectors are installed and turned on, you can download their app onto your smartphone or device to connect to them wirelessly. This way, when the alarm goes off, you don't just receive an audio alert or loud siren. Many models also give you helpful voice instructions that tell you exactly what the problem is. For example, the app will tell you if it's an alarm for smoke or carbon monoxide, and sometimes it will even tell you how serious the issue is. Another great feature of smart detectors is that you won't have to worry about the annoying midnight chirps when the battery is low. Instead of searching for the source of the sound, your phone will send you a notification to let you know when the battery needs to be changed. This can make keeping your home safe much easier. Smart security systems are designed to monitor your home and send alerts directly to your smartphone or device. These systems have many features and can work with other smart products like smart door locks, doorbells, and smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. They can track things like motion inside and outside your home, or if doors and windows are opened. This can be especially helpful if you need to know when someone leaves or arrives at home for safety reasons. In addition to these features, smart security systems can control other things in your home like the thermostat and lights, all from one app. If your system has cameras, you can receive video notifications on your phone or device to see what's going on. Some systems can also track patterns in activity, let authorized users check in, and even send alerts if something goes wrong. You can also link emergency response buttons to the system to make sure help is available when needed. Many home security systems need to be installed by a professional and usually come with a monthly service fee. There are many different options to choose from, so it's important to research and compare systems to find the one that's best for you. Now we will go through some technology that assists with your personal health and safety. Oftentimes, health issues present themselves when we are home alone and can be potentially dangerous. But there are excellent tech products on the market that can connect you to the help you may need at the touch of a button. Many products will also monitor your overall well-being to ensure you can live an independent and healthy lifestyle. Sometimes a medical condition could be what stands in the way of someone living more independently in the community. Medication administration, blood pressure monitoring, glucose reading, and slips, trips, and falls are among the top worries for people living with medical support needs who wish to lead a more independent life. But what if technology could help? In some cases, it can. There are a wide variety of products that can help you take care of your health needs and live with increased independence. Here is a list of examples. Medication dispensers that can make it easier to remember to take your medication and which can monitor and in some cases provide alerts when medication is missed. Bluetooth monitoring and recording is possible for blood pressure monitors, glucose monitors, heart rate monitors, etc. Activity trackers can be used to track a person's activity levels, heart rate, blood pressure, and may even alert to changes in regular routines. There are even apps that can also be used to motivate and encourage you to try new activities and track your progress in staying healthy. There are many different types of devices available to purchase, from basic models to more advanced ones that offer multiple added features and options. A medical alert panic button or medical alarm is an electronic device that is part of a medical alert system. It can be worn as a bracelet, a necklace, or can even be clipped onto a belt. These types of devices are also known as personal emergency response services, fall or wandering monitors, life alert systems, and telemonitoring. No matter the name they go by, these systems are a great tool to help individuals with exceptional needs who are at risk of slips, trips, or falls, or have added medical needs to feel safe and live independently. When pressed, a wireless signal is sent to a home console, which dials an alarm monitoring staff and alerts them of an emergency condition. Depending on the seriousness of the situation, alarm monitoring staff will summon friends, family, or emergency services. A panic button alarm is a self-contained electronic device powered by an internal long-life battery, typically waterproof and designed to be shock-resistant and highly durable. There are several companies across Ontario that offer this service. Some can be purchased as a standalone device, which could be used for those with a support network in-house, while other devices offer remote around-the-clock monitoring with a call center. These models usually have an added monthly cost to them. Telecare systems and other technologies can be put in place to allow caregivers to stay in touch with their loved one from another location. These systems are designed to track routines, check in via secure video, send messages and photos, and/or organize calendar reminders, to name just a few functions. There are several different units available depending on the desired monitoring. Many will integrate technology we have already reviewed in this module. There are many things to consider when purchasing a medical alert device or system. Some of the questions you might want to ask yourself include, does the system have two-way calling? Is it important for the person to be able to speak to someone when an emergency happens? This allows them to express their needs and can help them stay calm. Is there a monthly cost to the system? Does the emergency call go straight to the caregiver or an operator or 911? Does the main console include a call button? This could be a good feature to have if the person misplaces their emergency button. Does the system work with other technologies you've purchased or would like to use? Can the technology be used out in the community? Do you want your medical system to allow for activity monitoring? This added feature will prompt the person to press a button on the console at specific times during the day to check in and tell their caregiver that they are okay. Does the system have a fall detection option? This might be beneficial for people who are at higher risk for slip, trips, or falls. This slide provides links to information and resources which are related to the content we covered in this module. Link 1 leads to Step 1 of the DSO Housing Toolkit, where you will find information about ways to use technology to increase independence, as well as other information you might find useful in your planning journey. Link 2 leads to a technology worth considering tool, which you can use to make notes about different kinds of technology you are interested in or might find useful. Link 3 leads to the My Housing and Support Plan document, which is a tool you can use to document key information about you and your lifestyle, as well as the needs and wants that are related to the housing and support plan you are working to create. Link 4 leads to the My Housing and Support Plan budget, which can help you create a housing and support budget. For those who may be able to reduce the amount of direct support they require by introducing technology, the budget can help you to calculate the financial impact this can have. This slide provides links to information regarding the products and services that were referenced or shown throughout this module. Please note that these examples are provided for informational purposes only. There are various options available, and Developmental Services Ontario and its host agencies do not endorse any commercial product, process, or service referenced in this module or its producer or provider. The first set of links leads to products and services related to personal safety in the home and community. The second set of links leads to products and services related to home safety and security. The third link leads to an example of a medication dispenser. The fourth link leads to information about TELUS Tech for Good program. All web links shown throughout this module can be accessed in the resource document for this module. This slide has links to DSO-related information and resources. Link 1 can help you locate your area DSO. Link 2 leads to information about DSO housing navigation. Link 3 leads to a list of housing navigators for all regions of Ontario and includes contact information. And link 4 will take you to the DSO events calendar. The technology we spoke about in this module is a small sample of what is available. We encourage you to reach out to others to see what kinds of technology they are using, or contact your local DSO housing navigator to explore more specific ideas. It is important to remember that technology is not a replacement for direct support, but rather a complement to it, helping individuals navigate their daily lives both in the community and at home. This concludes our module on technology to support independence, home and community safety, and personal health. For more information and content from Developmental Services Ontario, please view our website and social media accounts.